Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching technical information, and this today's video I'm going to do a review of recently launched device Infinix Zero 8. Let's see what's new in this device. So let's start the video. First of all, we are going to talk about display of this device. This device has 6.85 inches IPS LCD Full HD Plus display, which is totally bezel-less, and resolution of this device is 1080 into 2460. 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. This device has only one variant, which is 8 GB RAM. And processor of this device is Mediatek Helio G90T processor, which is octa-core processor and also work on 12 nanometer technology. Android 10 is the operating system. So now talking about cameras of this device. You can see this device has a quad camera setup. The primary camera of this device is 64 megapixel with an aperture of f1.9, and the second camera is 8 megapixel with an aperture of 2.3, which is for ultra wide photography. The third one is 2 megapixel and the fourth is also 2 megapixel with an aperture of 2.4, and these both cameras are used for depth sensor. Now talk about selfie camera. So this device has dual selfie cameras, which is placed on a left corner of this device, which is punch hole display. The selfie camera of this device is 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. This device has 4005 mAh battery with a fast charging 33 watt fast charging support. Now talk about some other feature of this device. So this device also have 3.5 mm jack and also have type C support. The weight of this device is 205 gram, 9.1 mm thickness, and this device has side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is a very good thing for this device. So these are the few features of this device. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure press the subscribe button for more videos. So this is for today. Thanks for watching.